Alright guys, we're gonna be doing how many uploads. I'm gonna start with this guy. You can spin him around. You can do this. Look it. Let's see. This guy can spin. And you can do a little spin segment. Just press it. Oh no! Stop!
This is not. I can't really see.
You don't need to see. You can see it then. Alright, and spin, you can kind of get this, and you can kind of do the spinning. Yeah. And shield camera. Alright, so that's that. This guy can do a little. Boom! Like he can fight with it. He'll go like the chips. And that's him. This guy, yeah, he came with this really serious, but I lost it, so yeah. And that's. Alright, so this guy, he's pretty cool. You can wave. Look at that. You can see if it matches just right. It's a pretty cool toy. Not really cool. And this thing can spin on it. Spin, spin, spin. So that's him. Alright, so this freeze bite. He cuts over the launcher and it's go, you catch a ball. Oh, stupid eye. You just pull it back to the phone. And then you can also use these to skate. Woo! Woo! Skating! Woo! 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 Awesome! Woo! I'm a skate with my phone.
Conrad
Calling my phone. Sorry guys, I just last. Right, Spider-Man. He can
lights up.
Colin. Sorry guys. He can light up. He can punch people's face. Like he can be like battle with the face. Look at that. Boom, boom, Alright, you guys, I'm gonna turn the camera. Alright, I hope you liked the video, and see you next time.